whoa, these guys are seriously blue. Why are you so blue? I'm just not having a good day. Sorry, dad joke, that's terrible. The postman's just been and dropped me off tons of shrimp. Oh, I tell you what, I'm just going to buy another one of these so I don't have to keep dragging it around everywhere. Oh, this is so exciting, guys. So I reached out to Angel Aquatics and said to them, can you send me some shrimp? And they were like, yeah, cool, just put our website. Check down in the description for the link to their site. First of all, we've got some absolutely awesome space exploration coat stuff. This is like heat insulation stuff. That's the heat pack, which is still warm. Don't need it. Opening up. Come on, I just want to get to the good bit. Where's the shrimp? Oh, it's so really well packaged. Bubble wrap as well. There we go. First shrimp are standard cherries. We've got 20 cherry shrimp, which is absolutely awesome. I just put them all to a side for a minute. Oh, I've got to show you this. How cool do they all look right there in all the bags? Oh, they're so stunning, some of them. The blues are like so blue. Then we've got tigers, we've got crystals, and we've got the cherries, like I just said to you guys. So, slight issue. My filters didn't come for all these tanks until literally with this parcel, they've just arrived. And they are here on this desk, look. So yeah, I've just basically got 5 of them, and I've already got one spare one. So yeah, those filters are exactly the same as the ones that I've already got in these aquariums. They work really well, so I thought, well, I might as well do the same thing on this side. I bought extra airline hose so I can use the splitter that you can't see just in there somewhere. Anyway, I can split it again. There's so much more power available in what I've already got set up. I didn't even need another pump. I didn't need more splitters. All I needed was more hoses and more filters. So it cost next to nothing, really. I think I spent about £30, $35, and I've got like filtration for all 6 of these. However, I can actually put the cherries, for instance, in with the killifish in this one, because the killifish are tiny. They're not going to be able to hurt the chilies. They're not chilies, they're cherries. I can't talk, I'm too excited. This aquarium down here is spare. I just recently pulled it all out and put it back together again. Many of you will know that there was an issue with this aquarium, but it's all been sorted now. So that means there's 2 more aquariums. Apparently, I've just done some research to see if I could actually put some of the shrimp in with the killifish. Some places are saying yes, some are saying no, depends on the size of your killifish. Well, these guys are not small. Let me come around. So that's the female, and the male's actually slightly bigger than that. Where are you? Where are you, fella? Hello? Are you coming out? He's tucked in behind there. I can just see him through a gap. Come on. No, I'm not feeding you. I'm just trying to show everyone that you're quite big and you will probably eat the shrimp. Yeah, here he is. Look, I definitely think he's going to be too big. He'll munch through any shrimp in no time. Just look at him. He looks like he's like, go on, I dare you. I dare you to put those shrimp in here. So yeah, this has already got blues in it already. So I can put the blues in with the blues. I can put the crystals in with the crystals. And then I've got that one there, which has only got the small killifish in, so that can have, say, the tigers. And then I've got the spare tank there, which can have the, what other ones did I say? Cherries, sorry, cherries. Yeah, the cherries. The cherries can go in that one. And then we're all sorted. That's absolutely perfect. That's worked out better than I thought. Then that gives me time to get this whole system set up with the new sponges. I'll probably squeeze these sponges out into each one. So like that one can squeeze out on that one can that one. And that will just seed the new sponges ready for like, you know, setups later on. Again, I'll put aqua soil in the bottom of all of them, just like I have with these. I just get those systems moving along, put some snails in, generating some ammonia, just so we've got systems on standby ready to go, because I impulse buy a lot, and it's not a good trait, but it does. If you've already prepared for it by having stuff set up, then it's not so bad, is it? Click subscribe. So these guys were posted to me yesterday. Each one has got like a little piece of filter floss in it so that the shrimp have got something to hold on to. They look to be doing very well. I mean, from what I can see so far and from what I've opened, I'm not seeing any deaths, and it's pretty cold outside at the moment. It's winter now in the UK, but hopefully everything's all right. So far, looking good. And I've literally just remembered what I forgot to buy. I was going to buy one of those airline kits that has one sucker, a splitter, and then like 6 different ones with taps on the knot. I'm going to order that in just a second, but for now I've just got the one with a knot tied in, nice and simple. What I'm going to do is every 5 minutes or so just rotate it in each bag, so that after about an hour or so, then it will all be sort of, you know, equally distributed out. I've got editing to do anyway, so that's fine. Awesome, right, I think we're ready to go. It's been a good hour. There's loads and loads of water all in there. There's way more water from my tanks in there now than was in there to start with. So first of all, I'm going to put the cherries. Cherries are going to go in this one. And yeah, cherries in that one. Just put them in. Instantly, they look good. I have got a fondness for cherries. I know they're pretty common, but for most people, it's the first sort of shrimp they get other than some Amano shrimp, because, you know, most of the stuff you see on YouTube was always, oh, get Amano shrimp for your tank, they're going to clean it. And then because you look at the cherry shrimp and you think, oh, they're expensive for very small things. But then you realise that, oh, these actually breed, which is absolutely awesome. I have got a fondness for them. And every now and again, you'll get one that's like properly red, like fiery. Look at that one. Look at that. Absolute beauty in the foreground. Oh, loving him. Or her, sorry, that's her. Him, that's probably a him right there. Could be a smaller female, but yeah, it's possible male. I can't see from the front, but nice female there as well. Oh, we've got some nice shrimp here. That one there, most probably a male. Not quite as sort of colour, sorry, that's not English. Not quite as much colour. The back end is sort of, you know, curved outwards as well. So, oh, awesome, wicked. Right, we've got to move on, otherwise we're going to be here forever. Okay, next up we've got the tiger shrimp. Oh, I need to take that lid off, don't I? Just tried to put them in with the lid on. Oh, don't they look good, guys? So they're in with the rocket killifish. So they're Caridina, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Neocaridina is cherry shrimp, and then Caridina are like crystals and tigers. I mean, they look kind of the same, but like in terms of shape, but they're actually different species. They can't breed together, and apparently the Caridina are a little bit more to tend for. I guess that just depends on your water. I think I'm somewhere in the middle because I do well with both kinds, to be honest. These shrimp are awesome. Look at them. Look at those. Oh no, hang on, I need to go manual zoom focus for this. There we go. Look at how good they look. Absolutely lovely. Look at that one there. Stunning. I don't know what is and isn't classified as, like, you know, stunning or not, but to me they look stunning. What about over here again? These ones? Oh, look at that one right in the middle there. Love that. Really, really nice. And the killifish don't seem to be bothered by them as well, which is awesome. They're just at the top swimming. They're colouring up really well now, guys. Love these killifish. I'm going to do a scape for them all of their own. They're just in here temporarily. A few people worried about a lid, remember? So yeah, I've now... Oh, that's way too bright, sorry. Yeah, I've now got a lid for them. I made that straight after the previous video. I just forgot to add it into the video. People worried about the filter as well. It's spraying at the back there, and the plants completely diffuse the flow. So they can go in it if they want, and sometimes they do. Or they can sit down here where you can see nothing's being blown around. This is fine aqua soil. If there's any high flow, it goes everywhere. So we're all good, we're all good. Right, next we need to put in more crystals into... Oh no, I need to top it up first. And then put the crystals, the new ones, in with this batch. And then we've got like 40 crystals that can breed and just generate more crystals. I want all the crystals. Whoa, I don't know if you guys can hear the I'm looking at the ceiling, you can't see it, but it's raining really hard. But we've got the crystals. No time to waste. Crystals, crystals, crystals. Get them in. Here they go. The one-handed crystal release, very difficult, and only experienced professionals can even attempt it. Come on then, guys, out you come. I have not got all day. Go on. Let me turn it inside out. This is so much easier with two hands. There we go. Go on. In you get. And the last one, which will not get off. Guy, can you just let go? There we go. Right, we've now got a lot of crystals in there. There should be about 40. I didn't lose any of them. So far out of all the shrimp that we've had, I lost 2 of the tiger. That's not the tigers. 2 of the tigers. 2 didn't make it. But, you know, sometimes these things happen with shipping. 2 out of 20. No, 2 out of 60 so far is not bad at all, is it? I'll take that. I'll take those odds. But there we go. Look. increasing the gene pool. It's going to be great, isn't it? Oh, I can't wait just to start getting some babies. Still not seen any babies yet. Had this one set up now for over a week, but I've had the crystals for 2 weeks now. So yeah, no babies yet, but it takes time for crystals to settle into their tank, the tank to mature a bit before they're comfortable enough to have babies. That's what I found before anyway. Last time I kept these, I didn't get any babies for months, and then all of a sudden the tank was full of babies, so you just got to be patient. And then last but certainly not least, we've got the blue dreams. Oh, they're so dreamy and so nice. In you go, 20 more. None of these lost at all, so it's just the tigers we lost a few of. Whoa, 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 whoa. In they go. Awesome. Any hang-ons? Anyone hanging on? No, we're all in. We're all good. Yes. Awesome result. Whoa, these guys are seriously blue. Even more blue. The ones I got before had a lot of blacks. Not probably the highest of grades, but whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Can we all just calm down? They're like, way, our new home. We've got some molts going on. Look at how blue that thing is. Sorry, that thing. I mean, that shrimp. Oh, stunning. This is great. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at it. Wow. Have you ever seen anything so blue? Why are you so blue? I'm just not having a good day. Sorry, dad joke. That's terrible. Well, my sons like my dad jokes. Look at those. Absolutely loving those. Catappa leaves, like you can see here, take a while to start breaking down before they'll actually start pecking at them. But they're just getting to the stage now after a few weeks of breaking down so the actual shrimp can start using them as a food source, which is awesome. Oh, this is so cool. So the shrimp have now been in their tanks for over 5 days. Let's take a look at how they're getting on. And they are all dead. No, I'm just kidding. So the tigers that are in the clown/rocket killifish tank, they are doing really, really well. So remember when we unboxed them, we lost 2. I lost one further one as well, and that's been it. So out of all of the shrimp that I've put in here, I've lost 3 in total, which is absolutely amazing. Really happy with the experience, which means I'm definitely going to be doing it again. So out of 80, I lost 3. I can accept those losses. Those things can happen. Large numbers, you're gonna get the odd one that doesn't make it, but that's cool. The crystals are doing awesome. Still not seeing any babies though, but all the shrimp are due a feeding. So let's do some time lapses of every single one of the tank. There's nothing better than hordes of shrimp just going towards all the food in fast forward time. Fast, but you know what I mean. Well, would you look at that? They've all come over, well, almost all of them. I'm wondering what these other guys are doing, what they think. Oh, that everyone's just left the whole place for no reason at all. Come on, come and get your grub. So I put 2 of the little pellets in, which is the right amount for 40. I've got about 40 in there now, give or take 1 or 2. But, oh, it's really good. Still not seeing any babies, but that's okay. We must be patient, And here they are, look, the blues, loads of them. We've got some really dark ones. I guess they're just sort of like black blues. They still got the genetics. But it's nice of the snails to turn up as well, isn't it? Snails and shrimp, just like they go together like peas and a pod, peas and rice. I don't know, whatever. Either way, looking good. Still got quite a few blues up here. Did I see some more as well? No, they've all come down now. Brilliant. Okay, that's good. Oh no, there's one. There's one absolute beauty at the side. Come and get your food. Okay, so we've still got the cherries to go, and we've still got the tigers to go. I can't wait for the tigers, but I'll leave them till last, because when they come up close to the camera, it looks so, so good. Well, it appears that the cherries are nowhere near as interested as the other shrimp were, so never mind. Well, I'm sure they'll come to it in their own time. Maybe they're already full or something, even though I've not fed that tank for a few days. Okay, now on to the tigers. Come on, guys, don't let me down. I want to see you going for this. Ah, yes, guys, they didn't disappoint, did they, the tigers? Look, they've all come running over. Look at these little guys. They're so nice, aren't they? I don't know why I'm so fascinated in them. It's just, I guess it's because I've not kept anything like these ones before. They're so very different to all the other ones I've kept. I'm still on the lookout for some really, really rare ones as well. Just in contact with a few people at the moment, so hopefully those will be coming soon as well. Oh, no, we're all good, guys. I've just come back after having some lunch, and now it looks like the cherries are also having some lunch, so that's great. They do like the food. I wonder why it took them a while to notice it was there, though. Oh well, never mind. They still look great, didn't they? Look at the colours. So red. Well, that is it for this one, guys. If you haven't already, click the like and subscribe button. I will see you on the next one.